In this video, we'll be explaining what option expiry orders are and how you can incorporate them into your own trading. It's definitely not an exact science, but you can use that information to your advantage. Hi, it's Arno here from Forex Source, and before we begin, hit the button below to follow or subscribe so that you'll be notified every time that we release a new video. Now, if you've seen analysts mention option expiries, you might be wondering what they are talking about. Well, in simple terms, option expiries just relate to options or positions being held by future traders. Now, the expiry is the time when those positions either have to be cashed in, realized for delivery, or simply left to expire. Now, the first thing to mention here is that it's very difficult to really know what traders will do at the expiry time, because we never really know whether these positions are buying or selling the asset. So we don't know whether the expiry is likely to trigger any specific trading behavior because the full details of those positions are not publicly available. All we can know for sure is that there is an order at that price and something might happen before the expiry hits the wires. As a general rule, any orders that are over 600 million tend to act like a magnet for the price. Now, this can be useful if you're holding a trade and the price is approaching a large option expiry level. If the option expiry is big enough, it can mean that the trade is less likely to actually move very far until that expiry has passed. Now, as a trader, you can factor this into your analysis and plan your trade management around these big order levels. But it's important not to get too hung up on these levels, and certainly don't ever use them as a main basis for taking any trades. At the end of the day, option expiry levels are useful information to have, but it shouldn't really alter your thinking over whether or when to trade and when not to. If you want to see how we implement things like this in our own trading, make sure to check out our daily video commentary or live webinars inside the Forex Source terminal.